How to replace a clutch cable on a 42-inch riding lawnmower? A riding lawnmower's clutch transfers power from the engine to the wheels and blades of the machine by connecting the drivetrain shafts inside the mower. The clutch allows your lawnmower to move and the blades in it to spin. The clutch cable on your riding mower controls the clutch as you use the mower. Luckily, replacing the clutch cable is a simple do-it-yourself repair in most riding mowers. Things you will need: pliers. Put your mower in the lowest position and open the hood. Lift up the retainer spring that holds the clutch cable to the adjustment bracket. Pull the cable out of the bracket. Remove the clutch cable spring from the idler bracket. Pry the spring open with a pair of pliers if necessary. Hook a new clutch cable spring over the idler bracket and squeeze it closed. Slip the clutch cable under the retainer spring.